Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. On this channel we talk about ASO EBI, gele, umeh, lots more. Basically everything has to do with Nigerian fashion and Nigerian lifestyle. So if this is something you like, I recommend that you hit that subscribe button. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you, based on my experience, how to save money with ASO EBI. If you go through my channel, you know that I love my umeh parties. I do not joke with my umeh parties. So based on my experience with last year and how much money I spent on ASO EBI, I decided to do a video on how to save money, which of course I am using some of these tips in my coming vlogs. You'll see how I use these tips. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, about this time last year, a lot of my friends were getting married. I'll put a link to some of my vlogs, and not even just my friends getting married. I bought ASO EBI for a birthday as well. That was my friend's mom's birthday that happened in Ijebu. So I of course had to travel to Ijebu for that party. I don't mind, it was a fun experience for me. But then come middle of the year, I realized, wow, I spent this much on ASO EBI. Wow. Like the least I spent on ASO EBI last year was 8,000 naira, and that was one wedding. Every other wedding was like 15,000, 18,000, and that is minus transport fare, hair, shoe, jewelry, because we like to slay. And I realized I was spending so much money on ASO EBI. But this year I have decided by myself that Oluwadamilola is going to be saving some money. I am not going to be dropping huge amounts for ASO EBI this year. Let me tell you something. ASO EBI is not that important, but as Yoruba people, we like our ASO EBI. Not just Yoruba people, I think Nigerians generally. Yoruba people have now spread that thing. They spread their tentacles to other tribes. But we don't mind. We love you still. We love you. We love you. Now let's get into how to save money on ASO EBI. My number one hack is, don't even buy it. I'm not joking. I'm not even joking. It's not that important. Now for me, what I do is, and for most people, but if you don't do this, well, this is a tip for you. You look at the person and how important is this person to you. Like if it's last year, it was my friends that were getting married, and yeah, I kind of had to buy. So the first thing is, if it is not important, don't buy. The person is like your best friend, your close friend, maybe your secondary school mates, even secondary school mates gone. Sometimes you need to reconsider, or your uni mates. Just look at how close is this person to you. If this person is not so close, please just wear what you have. Sometimes if you look at your wardrobe, you have something even better than what they are selling. I'm just saying, like, in summary, my first hack is don't buy. Wear what you have. Nobody's going to chase you out unless the ASO EBI is like a pass for the wedding or for the party. Other than that, wear what you have. When you get there, celebrate with the couple, eat their food, dance to the music, enjoy yourself. Like, if you don't have to buy, don't buy. My number two hack is ask for the party color and wear what you have. For instance, I had a friend who had the wedding party last year, or she got married last year rather, and I asked her for the ASO EBI color. She said it was purple, and I have purple lace. Let's not lie, I have purple lace and white gele, so why waste my money in buying another purple lace again? Every year colors come out. Like I believe last year was like purple or something. There was a year that everybody was wearing coral. Every year there's a color of the season. So if you buy peach lace today, why buy another peach lace next month because it is a separate lace? Do you understand? If you want to save money on ASO EBI, wear what you have. You don't necessarily have to go and buy everybody's ASO EBI. The color is very similar. Wait. My number three hack is also ask for the color and go and buy something similar. I'm not saying go and buy the exact lace, because that will hurt me if I'm selling ASO EBI and my friend just comes up with the exact lace. No, don't do that. Let's say for instance somebody I know is getting married and now ASO EBI is going for 15k or 18k and I can't afford it. I'll explain to her, see, Ogbeniwa, me o le rasho me 18k ti mo da fun e ma binu. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to come in looking like one of your guests. I'm going to come in the color. Is that fine by you? And then if they say, okay, no, wala, go ahead. You can easily go to the market and buy cord lace. Now, I recommend cord lace because cord lace looks expensive. It is classy. And you can easily get away with cord lace. So you can go to the market, get cord lace of 2,500 per yard. Some you can get 2,000 naira per yard. Let's work with 2,000 naira for instance. Let's say you get a lace of 2,000 naira per yard. You can buy 3 yards. Even if you're as fat as I am, you can use 3 yards to sew a floor length dress. Just keep it simple. You can use 3 yards to sew a floor length dress. So for 2,000 naira times 3, that's 6,000 naira. Go to the market, get gele, 2,000 naira. That is 8,000 naira. You're saving yourself so much money, as opposed to paying 15,000 naira for a clothes that you don't like. Because ASO EBI is not my taste. It is the bride's taste. What she feels like is fine. Or the celebrant. Let's use the word celebrant. It's the celebrant's taste. What they feel like is fine. So if you have an opportunity to go to the market and choose for yourself what you want, go ahead. Now my next hack is share with somebody. This one I am doing, I'm going to show you the process in my next vlog. Hopefully I remember to vlog. And it's very simple. Now my friend's elder brother is getting married this month. When she told me about the ASO EBI, I was really excited, but it's really a tough time for me. I am freelancing, and freelancing is super hard. You know, there are sometimes that there's plenty money, sometimes that there's no money. So this is around the time where money is kind of shaky for me. So I told her, see, let me not lie to you, I can't afford this ASO EBI, but I really would love to buy. So she told me, okay, the ASO EBI is 15,000 naira. You can share with somebody for 7.5. Does that not sound like a plan to you? It sounds like a plan to me. But here's the thing, I didn't like the gele, one, and I just didn't see the need to buy the gele. The lace comes in 5 yards, so I'm buying 2.5 yards for 5,000 naira. So instead of spending 15,000 naira on 5 yards and a gele, that, you know, I don't need 5 yards for anything. Like, what am I sewing? Am I sewing wedding gown? No. Instead, I'm getting 2.5 yards. So you can do that. I'm sharing with her friend, who is my friend, but more of a friend. So we are sharing the lace into 2.5, and she's taking the gele, and I'm fine with that. So on the wedding day, which I'm going to vlog, I'm going to be slaying like, yay! And nobody's going to know that I bought only 5,000 naira cloths. People bought 15,000 naira. I don't care. We are wearing the same thing. Whether you bought 5 yards or I bought 2.5, whether you bought the gele and I did not buy the gele, once I slay my hair and I slay my makeup, my lace is looking gang. Who's going to know the difference? Tell me. Still on the same hack of sharing with somebody, there are endless amount of fabrics in the market that you can mix and match with. You can go to the market and get things like doll face, polished daviva, tapeta, you can get French lace, you can get net, cord. What else is in the market? Opo. I really can't remember. Satin, bridal satin, shiny face. Like, only tailors understand what I'm talking about. Like, doll face, shiny face, tapeta, mercury, glass mercury, double mercury. There are lots of fabric that you can mix and match. So you can buy like 2 yards, a yard, whatever. Just find very gorgeous styles to rock this very cheap ass ASO EBI. But these are some of the lessons I've learned from spending so much money on ASO EBI, and these are the hacks I'm going to be using throughout 2018 and even for the rest of my life. Because girl, I'm trying to get me a light, you know. With this backdrop, I need a light. Toma Shano Wole. Do you get? Toma Shano Wole, Toma Sono, to Boju Imashi. Anywho, so those are the hacks I'm going to be using in 2018 and beyond. If you have any more hacks or something you are doing to save yourself some money on ASO EBI, please drop it in the comment section. I really like to know, because your girl, you know, my friends are beginning to get married, and you know, it means that I have a long way to go with ASO EBI, and I have a lot to learn as well. These are some of the things I've done, and I'd like to learn from you. And also I'd like to know, what is the most you've ever spent on ASO EBI? Let's have a chit chat. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. Feel free to follow me on social media. I am at Damiesdiary across all platforms, and subscribe to this channel. Share. Let's help people who are getting new to this ASO EBI game. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in my next video. Bye.